Greetings. How to plan a family reunion, any duration, any time frame. Calling all family reunion planners. We've got you covered, no matter how long or short you want your gathering to be. This video will unlock the secrets to planning a memorable family reunion, no matter the duration. I'm Carl from gettingtotheroots.com. Welcome to our vibrant YouTube channel where the magic of family unfolds. Join me on an exciting journey into the realm of planning unforgettable family reunions, covering everything you need to know from start to finish. Let's dive in. If you find this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting below. After viewing Family Tree Magazine's video titled Family Reunions, 10 Planning Ideas to Save Your Sanity, I felt compelled to create my own video series called Proven Strategies: How to Organize the Ultimate Family Reunion. Get ready for a video filled with bonus tips that you won't want to miss. To ensure you don't miss out on any valuable insights, I encourage you to watch the entire video. Throughout its duration, I have included bonus tips that will enhance your understanding and provide additional value. So, grab a seat and dive into the full video to enjoy these exclusive bonus tips. Your commitment to watching it in its entirety will be well worth it. Step 5. Planning the perfect timeline. Let's select the right duration for your unforgettable family reunion. How many days are you thinking of? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days? Alrighty. Bonus tip: ideal month or time for a family reunion, from the last week of June through the month of July. Most schools are closed for the summer. Set a date and time. Decide on a date and time that work for most family members, utilizing the information from your survey. For detailed information on surveying family members, refer to the video link in the description below. Bonus tip: starting early is key. Choose a location. It is time to choose the location for your family reunion based on your survey. Choose a location that is central for the majority of your family, reducing travel distances for everyone involved. Evaluate transportation options. Take into account the availability of airports, highways, and public transportation near the chosen location. Ensure convenience. Opt for a location that offers convenience in terms of proximity to accommodations, amenities, and attractions. I recall once hearing one of my cousins share their experience, stating, "I've never been on vacation without buying a souvenir." It's all about the location. And you know what? She couldn't have been more right. Location truly makes a world of difference when it comes to creating unforgettable memories. For souvenir ideas, watch my video titled Mastering Family Reunion Costs, Tips and Tricks. You can find the link provided below. Family outing location. When choosing an outing location for a family reunion, consider the pros and cons of outdoor and indoor options. Outdoor venues offer natural surroundings and space for activities but are weather dependent. Have a backup plan. Indoor venues provide shelter and amenities but may have space limitations and lack outdoor ambience. Consider factors like weather, facilities, and preferences when deciding between outdoor and indoor locations. Bonus tip: book your park location or venue at least 12 months in advance of your event. Be the first in line on the day registration starts. Create a guest list. Make a list of all the family members you would like to invite. You can use a spreadsheet or an online tool to keep track of RSVPs. Please distribute your welcome letter by utilizing the insights and guidance shared in my video titled Crafting an Effective Family Reunion Letter. To create a compelling and well-crafted letter, the link is below. Once you have a guest list, send out invitations with the date, time, location, and any other important information. You can send out invitations by email, social media, or snail mail. Plan activities. Think about activities that would be fun for the whole family. You could plan games, a potluck, a barbecue, or a group photo. Make sure to have a schedule of events to keep things organized. To explore ideas, activities, and games for your reunion, I encourage you to watch my video titled A Legacy of Love, Planning a Special Black Family Reunion. You can find the link below. Assign tasks. Assign tasks to family members to help with the planning process. You could have someone in charge of food, games, decorations, etc. Prepare for the day. Make sure to prepare everything you need for the day of the reunion. This includes food, drinks, utensils, games, and any decorations you want to use. Enjoy the day. On the day of the reunion, relax and enjoy spending time with your family. Take lots of photos to remember the day and have fun reconnecting with your loved ones. If this is your first time organizing a reunion, I've got a recommendation for you. Plan a fantastic one-day celebration. It's a great way to dip your toes into the reunion planning waters. But choose the family you are most familiar with when planning your reunion. Keep it simple, sweet, and full of unforgettable moments. One-day reunion. A traditional one-day family reunion is a special occasion that brings the entire family together once a year. Picture a vibrant gathering at a park or someone's home, where the tantalizing aroma of a barbecue fills the air. Alternatively, it could be a potluck extravaganza, where everyone showcases their culinary skills with a delightful dish. For those seeking a thrilling adventure, an amusement park visit is sure to create lasting memories. Another option is spending a memorable day at the beach, building sandcastles, and splashing in the waves. And if you're feeling particularly groovy, why not throw a family dance where everyone can let loose and display their best moves? The best part is, you can switch up the activities each year to keep things fresh and exciting. One-day reunions are perfect for honoring a beloved parent or grandparent. One day may seem short, but it is precisely the perfect duration to create a concentrated burst of love and connections. To discover in-depth insights into planning a one-day family reunion, I encourage you to read my article titled Tips for Planning the Best One-Day Family Reunion. Click the link in the description below. Or visit gettingtotheroots.com for exclusive insider tips on organizing an unforgettable reunion. Two-day reunion. Get ready for double the fun with a two-day family reunion. On the first day, gather at the park or beach for a day filled with laughter, games, and bonding. Enjoy team sports and friendly competition that will bring out the spirit of togetherness. Host a meet and greet where family members can share stories, catch up, and create new memories. Alternatively, turn the evening into a grand dance party where everyone can showcase their best dance moves and create a vibrant atmosphere. With 2 days of festivities, you'll have ample time to strengthen family bonds and create unforgettable moments. 3-day reunion. Let the excitement last for 3 amazing days during your family reunion extravaganza. Kick off the first day with a warm and welcoming meet and greet. This relaxed gathering allows everyone to reconnect, reminisce, and get to know one another better. On the second day, head to the park for a day filled with outdoor adventures, team games, and friendly competition. It's the perfect opportunity to create cherished memories while enjoying nature's beauty. Finally, wrap up the reunion with a grand family banquet on the third day. Share a scrumptious meal, exchange heartfelt stories, and honor the bonds that tie your family together. Alternatively, for those seeking a more adventurous experience, consider a 3-day camping trip that combines outdoor fun with quality time around the campfire. A 3-day reunion offers the perfect balance of relaxation, excitement, and togetherness. If you're interested in watching a video about destination family reunions, please leave a comment below. 4-day reunion. Prepare for the ultimate family bonding experience. With a 4-day reunion that promises endless joy and connection. On the first day, start with a thrilling meet and greet, where family members from near and far can reconnect and embark on this incredible journey together. The second day can be filled with a variety of activities such as park adventures, beach outings, city explorations, or even organized tours to local attractions. On the third day, have an enchanting all-white dinner park event. Picture a picturesque outdoor setting in a park or garden, adorned with elegant decorations, where all family members come dressed in stunning white attire. As the sun begins to set, gather around beautifully set tables, enjoying a delightful meal together under the open sky. After dinner, it's time for the open mic night, a unique opportunity for family members to step forward and showcase their unique talents. Whether singing, storytelling, poetry recitals, or any other performance, creating unforgettable memories. On the final day of the reunion, conclude the event with a memorable farewell celebration. Join together for a special family history session, where you can share stories, reminisce about cherished memories, and pass down treasured family traditions. Planning a family reunion for any duration is an exciting endeavor that brings loved ones closer and creates lasting memories. Remember, whether it's a 1-day event or a multi-days, the key is to customize the gathering to fit the needs and preferences of your family. By following the steps and tips outlined in this guide, you can ensure successful and enjoyable reunion that caters to everyone's schedules and interests. In the series titled Proven Strategies, How to Plan the Best Family Reunion, the upcoming video focuses on steps 6 and 7, which is all about mastering welcome letters and hotel rate negotiations for family reunions. Don't miss out. Thank you for watching our video on how to plan a family reunion, any duration, any time frame. We greatly appreciate your support through likes, subscriptions, shares, and comments. Peace and love. See you in the next video.